All right, I'm excited to announce the new payment portal that's available for Core Store customers, specifically anyone that's using the coreCLEAR merchant services. If you have customers that have open invoices, or if you sell items on layaway and you want to let your customers pay online, we've added a new feature, and that feature allows your customers to go visit a website. It's a payment site where they can view all of their transaction history and make payments on any open balance transactions. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to set up. Now, if you're not set up with our merchant services, you can call us at 888-272-5598 or reach out to sales@coreWare.com, or just go visit our merchant services website, which is coreCLEAR.com. And we can beat any rate that you might be paying. We are not a payment processing company. We are a software company that happens to process payments. So since that's not our main revenue source, we're able to easily beat any rate that's out there with no hidden fees, no monthly fees. Basically, it's clear and transparent. So we'd love to help you, and let me just show you how easy it is to set up your payment portal and what your customer will see when they go to make a payment. So the first step is to go into the store configuration, and I'll go to the coreCLEAR section and just enable the online payments. Once you have that checkbox checked, you can click at the top right on your name and make sure you save it, and you may have to refresh the screen. But once you have it enabled, you'll see a new menu option, which is Go to E-commerce Admin. So let me go ahead and click that, and I'll get directly signed into my e-commerce settings, which again, right now it's just a payment portal, but read between the lines and you'll see what's coming. Now, all you have to do is set your title of your website, which can be your business name, and we'll be adding more features and logos and a lot of other options. But for now, you just specify your company name, and in the payment section, it will default to all of your current coreCLEAR payment gateway information. If you do have a different merchant ID, or you want to set that up differently with another account or one of your other locations accounts, you can do that. So let's go ahead and exit out of here, because once you have that set up, you are all set. So I'll go ahead and log out of here. And we're done. So at this point, what I can do is I can go back to my sales screen and show you how this works. So if I go into my sales screen, I can go ahead and choose a customer. Now, I'll show you when you add a new customer, there's a new option. It will default to create an online account. And you'll see that this user already has an online account. That box is checked. If for some reason you don't want to set up that customer with an online account, you can uncheck this checkbox. All right, so let's go back to my sale. And I've got this customer selected. And let me go ahead and run a transaction, and I'll just choose the skincare product, and say they're buying 3 of these and it's a gift. They want to put it on layaway so they can pay it off, and I'll just go ahead and add a payment of $50 upfront payment, and then I'll save the layaway. All right, so now this customer has an open layaway. I can email or text them this particular invoice. And at this point, let's see what the customer sees. So the customer will receive an email from you with a link that has the link to your payment portal. And it will also have their login information. Your payment portal is just going to be your company name.coreCLEAR.com. Again, you'll see that when you actually access the admin screen. So I can go ahead and log in here. Now, the first time they log in, it will force them to change their password. I've already done that on this particular user. So I'll just go ahead and log in. And you'll notice over here is my 3 tropical creams that I just purchased. It shows the balance of $235, and I can easily pay off the balance or just make a single payment. Now I've got actually a few transactions that are open. This customer has several layaways or open balances. This is an open order, an e-commerce order where there's no payment. And this is just another special order that was placed in the store. So it shows all of those open orders. I'll just go ahead and make a payment. And again, it's very quick to make this payment. I'll go ahead and enter my test card number. Hopefully I put in the right number of ones and expiration date. All right, and I'll go ahead and hit pay. All right, payment was successful, and you'll notice that my balance reduced to $210. Now I can jump right back into the actual core store, and I'll go to suspended sales, and the last sale is the one that I just entered. I will unsuspend it, and you should see 2 payments, the original payment for cash, and then you'll see the credit card payment for the $25. So a total of $75 that was paid, and we can go back to that payment portal. So again, the balance shows correctly. I can make another payment, and everything is instant. So the minute they pay, it's instantly updated. If I go back home, I can actually also go look at all of my open layaways and invoices. So this is basically everything that's open, which we looked at before, and I can also look at all of my orders. So this is a full order history, and it shows all of the activity for that customer so they can see what they've purchased from you in the past. There'll be a lot more features that we're adding to this, but we're super excited about this initial release of our payment portal, and a lot of customers have been waiting for this. So this really will make it easy for your customers to make payments online on any open invoices. If you are a coreForce user and you're using our enterprise e-commerce, obviously you can set up invoices and have your customers pay on your current website. So you may not use this, but it's optional. You can use this as well. It is separate from your main website, and it's specifically geared for any in-store transactions that are occurring. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know if you're interested in setting this up. If you have any questions, reach out to our wonderful customer service department, and they will be glad to help you. You can either chat with them live in CoreStore or submit a ticket at help.coreware.com. Thank you so much for watching this video.